counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, Hoke, Moore, Sampson, and Scotland. High wind warning in effect until 7 p.m. this evening. What? A short period of wind gusts in excess of 50 miles.
This is my first high wind warning.
The North Carolina Sandhills, southern coastal plain, and portions of the southern Piedmont. When? Until 7 p.m. this evening. Impacts, damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Scattered to numerous power outages are expected. Additional details, these strong, locally damaging wind gusts will occur at the back edge of an area of rain moving northeast at 30 miles per hour across the area. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. Flood advisory in effect until 6:15 p.m. this evening. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Portions of southeast North Carolina, including the following county, Columbus and northeast South Carolina, including the following...
High wind warning for a first. That's a first.
6:15 p.m. Impact.
I'm gonna put this thing on channel 1 right here. If I can even get it.
Monday, sunny. Highs in the upper 50s. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 30 miles per hour.
That's crazy.
Partly cloudy with a slight